Step 2 is shampoo. And we're going to use an all-purpose shampoo to get this party started. So I'm going to start by rubbing it into the top and just pushing it down to the bottom of my hair. And since this is the first of 2 shampoos, I'm going to grab more and I'm going to put it at the nape of my neck and spread it up so they will meet in the middle. But the way that I ensure that they meet is with water. So now that I've spread the shampoo everywhere, I'm coming back in with water so that I can push it to meet in the middle. And then it's time to scrub. So when I'm shampooing, I make sure to use the pads of my finger and stretch and pull the shampoo throughout my hair, using the pads of my fingers to kind of pre-detangle my hair as well. And I just want to make sure that it's distributed this way and that I'm keeping my hair going in the same direction. And I want to then go in to make vertical sections and gently separate it. My hair has separating memory because I separate it the same way every wash. And I'm gathering this first section and kind of smoothing it down a little bit. And I'm going to hold it at the end, put my fingers through and rub my scalp to remove the product, to massage my scalp, and to cleanse it. Cleanse and massaging all in one. For this first section, for each section. And then after that, I'm taking my hands and I'm using my thumb to kind of pull and gently detangle the section as well. So every step is actually working towards detangle. And I may even pull it apart gently if I feel there's no tangles or snags. And I'm going to do this all over for 3 sections on the right side and 3 sections on the left side. So I get a vertical section, I run my fingers down, and then I hold it at the end and take the pads of my fingers and go through and massage and scrub my scalp while I'm holding my hair so that it doesn't get so tangled, because I'm still trying to detangle. I am leading up to an easy detangle, setting myself up for success for an easy detangle. And if I feel a snag like this or a tangle, I'm just gonna take my thumb and work it through if I can. But I'm smoothing the shampoo down my hair while I am stretching my coils so that that shampoo doesn't get stuck in a coil. I'm stretching my hair so the shampoo and the product can slide down the slide, basically. I want to make a straight slide so the shampoo and the previous product can just slide right off and then rinse right off when I rinse my hair. So we're cleansing, stretching, and infusing moisture all at the same time. I'm going to do this back section on stretching it out and using pads of my fingers to massage my scalp. And then going into the section, pulling the shampoo through while pre-detangling as well. Infusing moisture and getting rid of old product. And then I'm going to do the same thing on this side. So I've completed all 6 sections, 3 on this side and 3 on this side. Now we're going to rinse out this first shampoo so that we can go in with a moisturizing shampoo. I finished all of those sections. At this time, if you have any areas where you find product is hard to infuse into your hair, like maybe your temples, this is where you might want to just spend a little extra time making sure that you cleanse the palette. Wipe the slate clean. So maybe it takes your temples a little bit longer to remove product. So you may want to just pay a little bit extra attention to those temples if product is hard for you to absorb into your hair. Make sure you wipe that slate clean. Now everyone's hair is different, of course. Do what works for you, whatever is working for you. But if you're looking for a routine, take notes and maybe follow along. Now we're gonna rinse this second shampoo.